Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the Google Advanced Search Image Search. So let's get started. So to use that, you have to follow this easy step. So first you have to open your browser and then you have to search for your google.com. Then here you have to search for the any image that you want to search. So for example, if I go and search for the, let's say, the green tree, let's see here, we can see the green trees. So if you go to the image, then you have many options here. So to use this into the advanced mode, you have to follow these easy steps. So first you can just go to here, the basic tools. You can just look at the more and then you can select here the many more options. If you go to here, then you have here wallpapers, nature, transparent, vector, art, beautiful, and many others. If you click on this any of them, they will show you the image like that. For example, this beautiful trees image, green tree image, you can just download and use them. And make sure before using you have to see which is copyright free, because sometimes they have copyright and then you can face the copyright issue. Then you can just go here. And then after here you can just click on this tools option. Then you can see here many option. So you can just click on the size and you have large, medium and icon. So if you click on this large, that will show you the large images of the trees. If you click on here, it will show you the icon ones, like the small ones. If you click on this again, you can see medium. So these are the medium ones. If you see here for the color, let's see, I want a red, like a red here, so we'll just see for the red, so it will show me red. Let's say if I want a yellow one, I can see the yellow, somewhat yellow color on the images too. So these are the basic colors. So if you see here, like for the white, so I can see like white ones. So let's see, I will just do like a green ones. So then if you click on this copyright issue, like a user rights, so just you can click on this Creative Commons licenses. So it will allow you to use this of the images. If you choose for the commercial and other licenses, that means you cannot use this images and it's been licensed by someone. If you want to use, then you have to buy from their website. For example, I just clicked on Shutterstock, so you have to buy this image to use this. If you go to here and then if you go to like common creative, if you click on this type and you can just select the type also. If I want a GIF, I will just go to the GIF and it will show me the GIF images of the trees. So you can see these GIFs. This is also downloadable and many others. So let's do any type for me. So here you can see the anytime, that means the picture whenever it's been posted. For example, if you click in past 24 hours, so it will show you the past 24 hours images related to the trees, like green beautiful trees. So these pictures are uploaded in 24 hours and many others. So you can click on this like a past week. So it will show you the past week pictures that are uploaded on this Google. So by this way you can say this. If you click on this advanced search, then it will open you the block. So from here you can extract the pages. If you want a particularly green, so you can just search for a green. If you want like a background removed, you can search for the background removed. If you want like those words like a flower, like a forest, you can just search like this. If you want none of these, like if you don't want a house in that photo, you can just click on this house, search for the house. And if you see, then narrow your results by here. We have set it. If you want aspect ratio, if you are making a YouTube video, then you can do as a wide or like a panoramic also, it will work. You can I set to wide, and then you can select the colors also. So I've collected select like greens. You can just select your color here. If you go to the image type, you can just select the image also. If you go to the region, for example, if I want to see only the US trees, so I will just search for here, and Here I will just search for the USA, United States. And if you want to search for some domain, like for example, if you want a photo from the Shutterstock, just write the shutterstock.com. And if you want a particular format, the image wanted to in, just click on this here, and then you can select your format too. If you want a PNG, just do like PNG, JPG, zip file, SVG, and then web, P files, and many others. If you see the use is right, then you can just use like let's Creative Commons. Then here let's avoid the things such as like house, and then we will search from here, so it will like a minus house. So here it will show you the photos that there is no house from here. And if you want a particular house to be in, for example, if I want a red house here, so it will show me the like a picture with the green trees with a red house. So by this way you can search this, and it's a very useful tool to search. And then you can go to the tool, simple, just press advanced search, and then from here you can put by this way. And finally you can click on this advanced search, and then it will show you the results. Then and at the above, this tab show you the related image. For example, if I want to see like a spring tree, so it will write a natural spring tree green. Then I'll go to tools, and from here on the tools I will just go to the advanced search, and then I can make my own filter from here, and then I will search it, and then it will show me the location and many other things to see the image. So by this way you can do it, and it's an easy way too. So after searching, for example, if you go to like a full color, you can just like image select like a face or like a photo, just go to the region. If you want to go, just go to JPG. I will select the JPG, go to advanced search, and from here it will show me the photos rated to here. So there are like photos you can see, you can also download and then you can use. So this is how to use the Google advanced image search option. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for your watching.